G'day guys, no Duff here. Guess what? I'm back. This time it's for good, I promise. I won't make this video too long. In line with the last video, I did say that I was AWOL and I was coming back. It was always the intention. However, you know, some certain unforeseen circumstances can arise pretty quickly. So the intent here is obviously to be back for good if you guys are willing to have me, which I don't think is going to be a problem. So firstly, I'd just like to obviously apologize for being away for so long. I understand that a lot of you have taken a lot of value out of the videos that I'm creating and the information that I'm providing. So I do apologize for not being there to be able to pass that on continually and obviously respond to you guys that have been trying to message me via numerous means. Point on that, I've now condensed down my arcs of contactability. So from here, if you do need to get in touch with me, so we'll go with first point of contact. If you want to get in contact with me is via the Facebook page. If you don't know what that is, you can find it down in the description down below and just use the old Facebook Messenger, right? Second point of contact is my direct email, which is duffindustries@gmail.com. You can email me on that if you prefer to remain anonymous. So obviously my first point was just a bit of an apology and to give you guys a bit of confidence that I'm actually back for good, which kind of ties into my second point, which is this video is what I'm going to be calling a SITREP. In defense, a SITREP is short for a situation report, and basically it's just a brief rundown of how things are going on the situation and how things are going to be progressing and what's sort of been happening in the background that you guys aren't aware of. So this will be the first of a series of videos known as the situation reports. They will run in obviously a chronological manner and keep you guys up to date, sort of hold me accountable to keep progressing forward as well, providing you guys with the most up-to-date information that I can. So along with the SITREP series that is obviously going to be starting from now on, there'll be a couple other little series that'll be coming along, such as how to increase your lethality series, improving your situational awareness, kit reviews, and there's going to be plenty more, so definitely stay tuned. The next point that I wanted to get across to you guys is one that has been a point of interest for a while now. I've had a lot of emails, a lot of messages, a lot of comments about the fitness programs. So I'll let you all know right now, they are available and they are available in the links below. So feel free to click onto that and have a browse and see if any of those are applicable to your goals. Which leads me on to my next point about New Year's resolutions. My next video coming in early January will be about how to plan your New Year's resolution and actually stick to it. So that'll be a bit more involved with the actual planning process and how to actually not get off track with those goals that you set for yourself, because that can be quite detrimental. Which leads me on to my next point. Speaking of New Year's and all that, it's obviously that time of year, so I'd like to wish you all that have all been following me since the beginning, and those of you that are still to follow me, a very Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and make sure you think about those that are still overseas and not with their families at this time. As any good CSM or SSM would say, enjoy your leave, look after your mates. If they get into a blue, so do you. And if you screw up, don't get caught. Alrighty guys, and that's it. Enjoy the rest of the year whilst it's still here, and all the best for the New Year's. Cheers guys.